Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your CapCut Pro. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and if we want to update our CapCut Pro, we need to click on the Pro feature or the Pro option right here. Okay, and then you can choose the package. You can choose monthly or yearly, and it's up to you. And for example, I'm just going to select this one, and we can click on purchase. Okay, and after that we're going to choose the payment method right here. Okay, I'm choosing monthly subscription, and here you can choose the payment method by clicking on this more option, and these are the options which are available on my CapCut or on my account. And then I'm going to select, for example, this one. I'm going to use Shopee Pay and click on continue. Okay, and then we need to link our CapCut with the account we have just added. And I'm going to click on this option to agree. And after that, we're going to pay with the method we have selected. Alright guys, and that's all the way to update our CapCut Pro. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.